Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most eye-opening psychological concepts that affects how we judge people in relationships, at work, and in society. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we are about to explore something that will change your perspective how you see human behavior forever. The broken arm theory is a concept that describes how we make excuses for people we care about or want to protect, even when their behavior is clearly harmful or wrong. The name comes from this idea: if someone you love has a broken arm, you wouldn't expect them to carry heavy boxes. That makes sense, right? But here's where it gets problematic. The theory suggests that we sometimes treat personality flaws, bad choices, or even abusive behavior like broken arm, as if it's a temporary condition that the person can't help rather than a choice they are making. We create elaborate justification for why they can't behave better. How it works in practice. Let's look at some real examples. Sarah's boyfriend constantly shows up late to their dates, cancel plans last minute, and rarely responds to her texts. Instead of recognizing this as a disrespectful behavior, Sarah tells herself and others he's just really busy with work, he is not good with his phone, or he's going through some stressful time. Meanwhile, if her friend Jennifer showed up 10 minutes late to coffee, Sarah might feel annoyed and think Jennifer doesn't value their friendship, same behavior, completely different standard. This happens everywhere in families. We might excuse a relative's alcoholism or verbal abuse as just how they are, or blame it on their childhood trauma. At work, we might make excuse for a colleague who takes credit for others' work because they are under a lot of pressure. The broken arm theory explains why we have these double standards. We are essentially treating harmful behavior as if it's disability that can't be helped rather than a choice that could be changed. The psychology behind the broken arm theory: why do we do this? There are several psychological factors at play. First, cognitive dissonance. When someone we care about behaves badly, it creates mental discomfort. It's easier to make excuses than to face the reality that they are choosing to act this way. Second, the sunk cost fallacy. We have invested time, emotion, and energy into relationships. So we are motivated to protect that investment by just justifying bad behavior rather than admitting we might need to reconsider the relationship. Third, fear of confrontation or abandonment. Making excuses feels safer than setting boundaries or having difficult conversation might lead to conflict or loss. The danger of broken arm theory. While compassion and understanding are important, the broken arm theory becomes dangerous when it prevents accountability. When we consistently excuse harmful behavior, we enable the person to continue hurting others. We teach them that their actions have no consequences. We damage our own self worth and boundaries. We create toxic relations patterns. We sometimes put ourselves or others in genuine danger. The theory also highlights how we often have much higher standards for people we don't feel emotionally invested in protecting. This creates unfair double standards in how we treat different people. Breaking free from the pattern. So, do we break from this pattern? First, recognize when you are making an excuse. Ask yourself, would I accept this behavior from someone I didn't care about? If the answer is no, you might be applying broken arm theory. Second, remember that having reasons for behavior doesn't make it acceptable. Someone can have trauma, stress, or mental health issue and still be responsible for how they treat others. Third, practice setting boundaries. You can be compassionate while still maintaining standards for how you deserve to be treated. Finally, understand that holding people accountable is actually more loving than making endless excuses. When we enable bad behavior, we are not helping anyone or grow or change. So, the conclusion of this video is the broken arm theory reveals something important about human nature. We are wired to protect people we care about, sometimes to our own retirement. But true care means wanting the best from someone, which includes helping them be accountable for their action. Remember, everyone deserves compassion, but no one deserves to be excused from treating others with basic respect and kindness. The goal is not to become harsh or unforgiveness, but to find the balance between understanding and accountability. What do you think? Have you noticed this pattern in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like this video if it gave you a new perspective. Subscribe for more psychology content that will help you understand yourself and others better. Until next time, keep questioning, keep growing, and remember you deserve to be treated better, to be well, broken man or not.